Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari Reaction. How are you guys doing today? So guys, I'm back again with another reaction video, another reaction recommendation. I believe this is a group they call 404. This is a music video to the song Fly. I will say it over and over again when it comes to K-pop, J-pop, now M-pop, now I-pop and P-pop. They do love their numbers. Let's go to see what these are gonna be giving us. Okay, Z Entertainment. Look them up. Okay, Mission Impossible. Giving us drama. You know I love me some drama. Love the green hair, giving me a little Beast Boy effect.
Let's go. We're gonna fly. Hold up.
Oh, that was nice.
We're gonna fly. Let's go. We're gonna fly.
I like this. Dun 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 dun.
Hold up. We're gonna fly. We're gonna fly to the sky. Only not lonely from the bottom. We go no pain no gain. 每次爬的重新开始。
Ayo.
We going high, hold on tight. 速度开到最快。We go rolling, we go.
Ayo, ayo.
Come on and bounce, 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 bounce to the top, top, top. They going down, down, down. Ayo. 我将目光继续投向远方，让今后全力跳跃。No stop me. Round, round. 准备展翅高飞，城堡里多王位。
I love the green hair.
回家燃烧着也不想熄灭。He's the only way， 没这一切的罪。就算被讨厌，我们也不会后退。Forget about the hate, flipping like a piece of cake. With the love that all we gain， vibe 吊着不下跪。携带我们相信的一切。We gonna fly, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Ooh. Fly it up.
We go fly.
I wanna do this. Look like it must be a new group or something.
We go fly to the sky. 哦，天之高地之厚，期望这行为猜不透。被风声与插板的手。
Okay, they burn a lot of cardio calories while shooting this music video.
Waste of time, get it right, let it go. Putting myself down, making my dreams I normalize. We going high, let it shine, make it through our own light. Jab, jab.
Oh, so it's three boys in this group. Tell me the story.
Forget about it here, flipping like a piece of cake. With the love that all we gain, vibe 吊着不下跪。
He was dreaming. Oh, I like the crop top.
We're gonna fly, yeah, yeah, yeah. We're gonna fly. Hold up. We're gonna fly. We go fly. We going home. We going home. We going home. We going home. We gonna fly to the sky.
Okay, 404, giving me purge. Okay, who the hell is this group?
He's the only way， 被这一切的罪。就算被讨厌，我们也不会后退。Forget about it here, flipping like a piece of cake. With the love that all we gain, vibe 吊着不下跪。携带我们相信的一切。We gonna fly, yeah, yeah, yeah. We gonna fly.
Oh, dum 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 dum. So they came out in 2019. Okay. Okay, 404. Okay, 404. That was a music video, Fly. I'm assuming this group has been out for what, like 2 years now. So 2021. What, 2 years now? That was a music video to the song Fly. That was a recommendation by someone. Thanks to a person who recommended me see it. As based off this video, it's a little bit low budget, but they gave us performance to give us a little bit of story, which I do like, and I do like me like a pop music, a pop song. I really do like that. I do like that one with the green hair, so I need to do my own to see what their name is, who they are, where they come from. But I love it. I love that green hair one. It gave me so much of a Beast Boy tease. I want to say I really do appreciate it. So thanks for the ones who recommend react to this, or everybody else, whatever you want to react to. Feel free to leave a link below in the comment section to get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.